everybody. So I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I know I did. I noticed that my lighting down here after the sun goes down gets a little poor in this room. So I have another weird light over here kind of shining on me so you could hopefully see my face. Anyway, so this week we're going to do things a little bit differently. I do have another lesson for motion and slopes and whatnot. But I want to wait until we're back in school together to do it because it's balloon rockets and it's really fun. And it's a lot more exciting when we can be together as a group and kind of have balloon rocket races and stuff like that. So I'm going to hold off on teaching that kind of big wrap-up energy on pushes and pulls and ramps and slopes, and then eventually the energy of air pushing. So we're going to hold off on that until we come back to school together after Christmas, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we are coming back together. Just trying to move my heater here after Christmas. Okay, so what we're going to do today is a couple fun Christmas things. Christmas themed things because we're going to hold off on the rest of the science for right now. I hope you all got your envelope from the bus Friday, or at least this morning. I put them out Thursday to be delivered to you on Thursday, so they should have been there either Thursday, Friday, or today, so that should plenty of time for them to get to you. And inside your envelope, you should have found a piece of paper that looks like this. It says Write the Room, has a little mouse in the corner, and each of these boxes is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you should have received some cute little Christmassy cards that are also numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's a 9, 10, 11, 12. Your job for this part of the activity is to take these pieces, okay, and cut them. There's black lines that go down the middle of each page. So you're going to cut all 4 pictures out, just going down this straight line that's here and there. And so you'll have 12 cards when you're done, and they will look like this. Okay, mine are laminated, but you don't have to laminate yours, obviously, unless you have one. That would be great. But mine are laminated, so I can use them over and over again. And so they'll just be cut like this. And then what happens is your partner, your mom, your dad, your older brother or sister, whoever is helping you, they go and they hide these all over the house. Now, tell them that they can't hide them in impossible places. It's kind of like an Easter egg hunt, okay? But you hide them all over the house, and they shouldn't be under anything that you would have to, lift. We don't want them to be covered. You can hide them, on the back side of the cabinet door, and you just have to open the cabinet, and there it is, Or, maybe if you have something like this in your house, you could hide it on the back of it. Think about an Easter egg hunt learning partner to help hide these for your student. And then your job, after they are all hidden, is to take this recording sheet with a clipboard or something hard, a book, or your math folder or your writing folder would make a really good surface for you to write on. And what you're going to do is you're going to go around your house looking for those cards. And when you find one, first you got to find what number 1 did you find. So maybe you found number 5, the holly, taped next to the stove. Okay, you found the holly maybe taped next to the stove. Okay, so then you have to write that word. See the word holly? You copy it you copy the word holly on box number 5 because this is card number 5. So, in case you're wondering, what do you mean by copy it? Well, what's the first letter? H. So then you write an H. What comes after H? O. So then you write O. What comes after O? LL. LL. And what comes after LL? Y. And you put a Y. Okay? So this lets you know that, oh, you found card number 5, Holly. And then you leave Holly where she is for right now, and then you go find another card. When you find that card, maybe you found, I don't know, you found card number 11. See the 11? Found card number 11. So then you find box number 11. It's going to match. Right? And then you're going to write the word star in that box. Okay? And this should take you a little while to find all 12. And it's a fun activity because you have to hunt for the items. And do this in pencil. All right? Do it in pencil because then if you want to, the next day play it again, you can just have your learning partner go and hide them in different places, and then you can find them again. Okay? Or you can just, if you found them again, you just put a check mark in the box next to the word that you already wrote. Okay? So that is called Christmas Write the Room. Christmas Write the Room. It's a good way for us to practice writing our letters. Yes, writing our letters. It's a lot of fun. Kids always love to do it. Okay, the next thing that you're going to find in your packet is this. Yours is stapled. Mine is not because it's my master copy. But you're going to find this fun little Christmas math booklet. There's about 4 activities in here. This find, tally, and graph activity goes along with exactly what we did on Friday during math time, where we learned how to tally like Tally O'Malley. And remember, after you put that 4th tally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is that special number because the next one is a slash right through to make your group of 5. Right? So what you're going to do is this says cupcakes. We need to find the cupcakes. So you're going to count the cupcakes. And if I were you, I would take my pencil, always writing in a pencil, and maybe just draw a little line through each cupcake so you know that you counted it. So as you count it, draw a little line through it with your pencil. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So then you're going to tally 6. I wish I had a pencil. Maybe I do. Hold on. My pencil. I have a pencil. Mrs. Lewis is always prepared. Okay. Now what did I do with my folder? Mrs. Lewis not so prepared. Okay. So I just said 6, right? So we count 1, 2, 2. So I cross that off lightly. 3, 4. 4. I'm at 4. Okay, which one have I not crossed off yet? 5. And 6. Ready? 6. 5. And 1 more is 6. Now you get to graph the cupcakes. How many cupcakes did we count? 5. So you're going to take 6. So you're going to take your crayon, now a crayon, and you're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay? So you're going to do that with all the items. So that's find, tally, and graph. The next one is graphing. Just graphing. But this time, you get to color the same pictures, the same color. Okay? So you get to get your crayons out. And so you can color in all the candy canes, whatever color you want, but you have to make sure you color in every candy cane the same color, because it says color the same pictures the same color, then count them and graph them. So all of your little peppermint drops should all be the same color. So if you did this one green, then you should do this one green, and you should do this one green, and this one green, and this one green. If you did your candy canes red, they should all be red. So red, 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 red. These little gummy things. Make them pink. I don't care what color you do. Okay? And then you're going to count and graph. Alright, so let's do the first one. Let's do the little peppermints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It'd be a lot easier if these were colored, and then I could also cross them out as I count, so we can keep track of how many. And then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to color in all 7 of those boxes. Okay? Your numbers are on the side too, so you know. The numbers are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one's pretty fun. All right, this one's before and after math. All right, before and after. If you have been playing, if you have been playing this, what comes next, where you just roll the die, and then whatever you roll, you cover up what would come next, right? We played that a couple times in school. So what comes next, or one more. This is a lot like that. So you can look at your 6 and say, what comes after 6? 6, 7, right? So you would put a 7 there. But this is the tricky one. What comes before 6? And so, I hope you all have been using this to help you out, right? So if you have 6, what comes before 6? Oh, it had to have been 5. Now, remember, if you're 6 years old now, how old were you before you were 6? Right? How old were you last year? When you're thinking about before and after numbers, think about your age. And then think about maybe your sister's age. Maybe you have a sister that's 10. How old's your sister going to be next year? She's going to be 11. How old was your sister last year? Well, what's 1 less than 9? Other thing that you can use, of course, is your number path, which I hope I have one with me here. I might have given them all to you guys. I think I might have. Oh! Right? Your number path will help you too. So if she's 10 now, how old was she last year? Boom, she was 9. Before means it already happened. What happened before? Okay? And then some of these, I know, some of these go into the teen numbers. But you know what? We're going to start talking about the teen numbers when we come back to school together and after Christmas, right? The teen numbers are those numbers after 10 and before 20, right? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Those are our teen numbers. You know it's a teen number because it has a 1 in front of it and then another number. Like a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5 is 15. Okay? So if the teen numbers are a little tricky, that's okay. You can always add on to your number line. And I wouldn't be surprised if the teen numbers were a little tricky, but that's okay. Sometimes we need a good old challenge. All right, last one. Oh, it's patterns. I like patterns. We love patterns. Present, candy cane, present, candy cane, present, candy cane. So you're going to find the candy cane down here, cut it out, and glue it. Gumdrop, lollipop, gumdrop, lollipop, gumdrop. Find it, glue it. Okay, these look to me like they're almost all A-B patterns. I see one that's not an A-B pattern. What I mean by A-B is it goes A-B, A-B. It changes every other one. But there's one in there that's an A-B-C pattern. So you will enjoy those. And that is what I would like you to work on today during virtual classroom time. It's a little bit different, I know, than the science. I understand, but I really want to continue the science together in school. And if for some reason, which I hope doesn't happen, we are remote when Christmas is over, I will do the balloon rocket experiment with you here online. Okay? So, and then tomorrow I have 2 more fun Christmas activities to complete, and then hopefully Wednesday we can finish up what we start tomorrow. So that was a lot. That was a lot. Use your math tools. I'm probably going to assign something on Seesaw too. And I'm going to also do a video about the Let's Find Out magazine that is in your envelope as well. There should be one about winter animals and another one about needs versus wants. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to access that on your iPad. All right? All right. I hope that wasn't too much, and I hope you're watching with your learning partner. If you're not, watch this video again with your learning partner if you're confused. Okay? Okay. I think that's it. All right. I'll see you later.